Church leaders from different denominations have expressed their admiration of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, describing him as a God-given leader dedicated to guiding Zimbabwe through difficult times. Sanapenda mashukuru pangwa inaction counts my indigenous churches have held VP Constantino Chiwenga as a God-given leader. Not was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnauziri mubdanyi kwa mchinzi. The praise comes after his recent participation in the launch of Mwana Anokosha, a private voluntary organization PVO focused on supporting children with disabilities across the country. Pastor Isaac Makomichi of Mashingo applauded the Vice President, saying, Vice President Chiwenga is a leader from God. While his critics try to tarnish his name, he is busy safeguarding children with disabilities. That is what makes him stand out. He further described Chiwenga as a caring figure, deserving protection and gratitude. Also thanking President Emmerson Mnangagwa for appointing him to serve as one of the vice presidents. A prominent prophet who requested anonymity out of fear of persecution also commended the vice president's leadership. Chiwenga is a true example of a Christian, the prophet said, pointing to his efforts to uplift vulnerable groups, especially children with disabilities. Mwana Anokosha seeks to promote inclusivity by bringing the gap between children with disabilities and their peers. Its mission is to guarantee equal access to basic needs, opportunities, and dignity for children living with disabilities. Core objectives: education, healthcare, safe shelter, nutrition, equal opportunities. The organization operates in line with the Zimbabwe's Children's Act and international conventions such as the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. It collaborates with the families, communities, local authorities, and development partners to achieve its goals. By backing initiatives like Mwana Anokosha, Vice President Chiwenga continues to demonstrate his commitment to uplifting disadvantaged communities and improving the lives of children living with disabilities. Domashwaruda pangwa ino chinko church pangwa ino aiwa weava chiti Chiwenga is a God-given leader. Inakomesa kuchembedu dzimafunguro emu tukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chiro on the bell icon.